Hey, I'm Angela and I'm going to tell you my daily routine for the Monday. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I take a shower and I prepare to go to work. I have to take the public bus and travel for 20 minutes. When I arrive to my office, I buy an orange juice for my breakfast with a cookie. In my hub, I have to verify the processes in the park, and I do the programming of sport schools. At midday, I eat my lunch and walk in the park and do activities before going back to my office. At 4 I go to my home and I prepare the dinner and then I start my classes at 10 in the night and finish my day with a conversation with my husband. Thank you